feeding the cows and we need to pick up one bale. So this is a silo bale. It's a bit more brown because it's sweeter for the cows. We have now here our nice bale grab and lifting up the bale. Really nice. G-series has enough weight in the rear. Now we can go easily in our automatic mode to our main gate, taking the plastics off the bale and feeding the cows. Now the cows are fed and you can put the rake on. So we have here our on-off rear linkage. So if we push the button only, then it goes only as long as we push the button down. Really nice to fit the rear implement there. Clutch works really good in the G-series, so if you want to go slowly reverse, then you can drive only with the clutch. So I will now connect everything. So everything is now fit. We have also a new passenger here, a nice fly. So she will now come with us and travel with the G-series.